Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download all of your GOG, Steam, Humble Bundle, games, and more in the same app on Linux. So to start off, you need to install the program that we use to do this, and the program we use to do this is called Gamehub. Now, there are many ways you can get Gamehub. You can also you can find it in a lot of different ways. Like we have the deb package here, and there's the Flatpak package here. All the instructions on how you can get Gamehub set up on your system is in the description. In this guide, though, we are going to cover the Flatpak version. So to install it, just do sudo flatpak install, followed by the Flatpak package, and enter your password. It's going to download and install everything that it needs to use. So that would be the GNOME platform, locale, ffmpeg, as well as the master file here. Now once it's installed, we can go ahead and open up Gamehub like so. Now when Gamehub opens, you're going to see all your games in one place. Now I have got Steam logged in, so I don't have to do this one. I've also got these two authenticated as well. I don't use itch.io, but if I did, I could just install the app and then click on this. So what you want to do is you want to go through and you want to log in all of your accounts. Now once you've done that, you can click the skip button up here. Now this is going to search for all of my games. Now I've got, a brand new game that just come out. I could try and get it to work on Linux. I've got, Linux compatible GOG games here as well. I've got my Humble Bundle library, which I've had for quite a few years. Got lots of Linux compatible games here as well. Lots and lots of them. A lot of them. I forgot how many games of these I have. And it will also merge these games from Steam. So if you have games on here that you also own in Steam, it'll just tell you that you've also got it on Steam. And of course, we've got my Steam games here. Lots and lots and lots and lots of Steam games. I think over 400, or no, 300, almost 400. So I got quite a lot. We're going to go with GOG though, because I like GOG a lot, and we will go with Full Throttle. So to install any game, let's say I want to install Full Throttle, I can just click on the download button here after selecting the game, and it's going to download the game. Shouldn't take too long because I have fiber internet, but first thing it does is it downloads to the system so it can work with the files. Once the download is done, you can select the game and you can click the install button. It's going to verify the installer, and it's going to do everything it needs to start it up, and then you can get it set up on your computer. And as you can see, it just brings up the installer like so. It's very cool. I like Steam and all that for all the compatibility it brings, but I really love GOG because they make a commitment to giving you a DRM-free version of a Linux game if they can, and they put a lot of love and work into it. So, but you just let the game install. You sit back and wait for a minute. So once the game is installed, you'll see that it has a solid outline instead of like the faded ones that aren't installed. So you can then just double-click on the game, and it will start it up. And this is all right in Gamehub. Gamehub is really cool. And I can start up Full Throttle. I don't think I've ever played this game before. I got it free. But now I can play it, and I don't have to go through the hoops of going to GOG.com, logging into my library, downloading the Linux version. It just automatically knows that I have the Linux version to work with, and I can just grab it and play. And this works. It even works with Windows games. Like, I don't have time to download a 100 gigabyte game, but if I wanted to, I could download it, and it would use the Wine compatibility layer for this game. Same for this game. It'll let you select how you want to use the game, even for games that aren't compatible with Linux through like a native port. So anyways, guys, that's how you use Gamehub to download all of your games from Humble Bundle, GOG, Steam, and more on the Linux desktop. I highly recommend this program. For more information, please check out the description below. See you guys next time.